children want to play in the sun and laugh all day. Drip, drip, drop on my head, soaking shoes and jumping on the bed. Puddles big and sky so gray, oh dear clouds don't stay today. Mom has washed the clothes so bright, now they're wet, oh what a sight. Kites are waiting by the door, but this rain just pours and pours. Rain, rain, we beg you please, let us climb the tallest trees. Let us run and race and spin, feel the breeze upon our skin. But if you must fall and stay, water flowers on your way. Fill the rivers, feed the land, paint a rainbow where you stand. Then when sunshine breaks the sky, we'll come out and leap so high. Till the rain we'll watch you play from our window every day.